Welcome to know about ClickFunnels Review 2020. Email integration and Actionetics. With just about every funnel will come a checklist of email integration prospects. ClickFunnels supports email integration with each one of the preferred email promoting autoresponders like Lively Marketing Campaign, ConvertKit Regular Call, Aweber, Get Response, Drip, Hubspot, InfusionSoft, Mad Mimi, MailChimp Current Market Hero, Sendlane, Salesforce, Ontraport, and other types. Even so, ClickFunnels Business in a Box has its own email automation software package termed Actionetics. Although you can produce email, plan them, and provide them in almost any email marketing and advertising alternative, Actionetics is much more than that. I like ClickFunnels Business in a Box autoresponder since it doesn't only focuses on your email marketing. Click the link below in this video for more updates. Actionetics covers messenger promotion as well as SMS promoting. This takes automation to an entire new degree. In addition, it supports you with your mission to attach using your prospects in the simplest way every time they involve it. I will deliver you a video clip summary of Actionetics if you'd like to find out more about this. ClickFunnels Business in a Box billing together with settlement mixture. An incredible element inside ClickFunnels Business in a Box is a chance to assemble many of the billing data from a client's on the Profits website. Internet marketing is built a lot easier when your purchasers don't want to go away your internet site. ClickFunnels also integrates with other authoritative payment solution, including PayPal, Stripe, in addition to InfusionSoft, between some others. Thanks for watching this video.